Today we're going to be running a couple trails at Sand Hallow, Utah. So join us. There's going to be a lot of sand, rocks, and amazing views. So join along. I'm just gonna go. Did you get that though?
I did. There you are.
Does it look good from right there? Or
yeah. Yeah, I'd say just keep coming straight forward. There you go. You're at the bottom. And that there it goes. Okay, be careful. The front bumper and this ledge is getting close. So yeah, turn.
Okay. Is it gonna touch?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
I think you need to back up a little bit.
How close am I to that?
You got like a foot. There you go. Yep. Go slow. Slowly. Yep. You're clear. Nice. This tire's off the ground.
Great. Put in for the
yeah, it's rubbing a lot.
Are you getting this bounce?
I am.
Nice. So before this trip, we installed the RRW RG4 wheels. These are brand new. They have the beadlock rings on them. We also installed the upper control arms that are also billet aluminum, so super high quality products. And then we installed the 37-inch tires to have more ground clearance, and it just looks so much better, especially with these +1-inch carbon fiber fender flares from Night Top. But that's going to be it for this video. We will have all these products down in the description if you guys want to check that out. And as always, you can find all this stuff that is on the truck at runningfortacos.com, and we'll see you guys later.